In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the VFX library component. This will give us even more freedom when working with Drakkar VFX. We'll start from the example in the previous tutorial. We already have our scene set up with VFX Master and Drakkar Updater. Let's add a VFX library to our object. This will allow us to group multiple VFX belonging to the same character or object and manage them easily. We can copy the contents of our previous VFX into a new element of our VFX library simply by using copy and paste. In our code, we can get rid of the Drakkar VFX variable and its initialization. The VFX library will handle everything. We just need a reference to it, which we'll call library. To activate our VFX, we use library.play, passing the index of our VFX, which in this case is 0. Alternatively, we can use its name. To ensure the VFX library is initialized before we try to use it, we check its initialized field. Finally, we link the VFX library to our variable and hit play to verify that everything works correctly. For more information, please refer to the Drakkar VFX documentation.